Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. India is projected to have more than 1 billion smartphones by the year 2026. The smartphone today has a penetration of more than 54% and expected to reach 96% of the Indian population by 2040. What a staggering increase and an amount. This is a massive disruption, keeping in mind India had a phone density of just 7% in the year 2000. Proves what a disruptive technology can do to a market. Just really think about that. Ironically, while there is a growing divide in the real world, digital merger is happening in urban and rural India. Instead of competing, I think the two worlds should complement each other. The best example in this environment is about the latest entrant of telecom sector in India, which uses its tech background to pair up with local kirana stores to act as fulfillment centers for their e-commerce business. Armed with a smartphone-enabled data exchange, millions of small entrepreneurs, businessmen, traders run their business in India. It helps manage their entire supply chain from purchases, production, sales to cash collections. Digital communication is thus a business enabler today, applied in a device as small as a cell phone. The new world of automobiles is going to be largely electric vehicles. This can be a big social movement where large-scale inclusive social growth can be brought about across India using EVs. Electric vehicles can be a primary enabler of several small-scale businesses like passenger, e-rickshaw, street carts, and food carts, among countless others. Also, they will generate high-value adding jobs in electronics, IT, data analytics, and other such areas. Rural India has played a major part in the growth of e-commerce in our country, with supply lines including warehousing, last mile, e-commerce companies are deepening their engagement with rural India. हमारे 125 करोड़ भाई बहन mostly village or rural area में ही रहते हैं. Even today, the penetration of e-commerce in India is just about 5% of the total retail market. This means there is a huge opportunity for growth in India. Purchase behavior has changed with the younger generation of teenagers emerging as the purchase decision influencers in families today. This, in turn, gets influenced by social media in a big way. India's digital payment growth story has another fairy tale story. It's nothing short of explosive since 2016, with a growth of 30% just in the last year. With around 40% of shares of e-commerce payments, digital payments are expected to reach 1 trillion by 2026. What a staggering amount. And India is growing on this fact every day. Online payments are a big growth driver of e-commerce and other businesses across the board in urban as well as rural India. Our societies are getting increasingly digitalized, impacting every possible aspect of our lives. However, it is important to ensure there is no collision of the real and the digital world, and they have to collaborate to make life better for a large section of India's society. Have a good day. Thank you.